Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install processing on your system. For the first step, you'll visit processing.org. When you visit processing.org, you'll see this as a home page. When you click on download button as shown here, it will show you options to download processing for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, as well as for Raspberry Pi. For me, it's the right thing to download processing for Windows. So when I click on download processing 4.3 for Windows, it will automatically install processing on my system. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in my next video.